Okay, so this is SIT210 Embedded System Development Task 7.1, where we talk about our project. My project is get detection and monitor and control. So I will talk about four main points: problem, market research, solution, and resource. First of all, the problem. So have you ever step out your door and feel like that you forgot to turn the gas off? The feeling is always having me, and it's feel like you will burn your home one day. So yeah, so actually there are two type of people. I think that's more worried about gas and this type situation more than you. The first one is the restaurant. The restaurant have little to no prevention of fires. There's little to no prevention of uh, the only prevention at the place where work I see is the blankets to turn off the fires when this thing right here happens. More than 8,000 restaurant fire getting fires every year. That's huge. Second is elderly people because they have disability physically, so if something happens, they cannot doing some doing a solution with the risk crisis. So prevention is a better way. So with that 2 points, I should keep going and asking my boss for this the market research. Asking my boss for what he need. So the first one is the gas stone in here is pretty simple, right? It's just the gas light and the fire. You have to use a torch to turn it on. So my boss is right here, his restaurant is here, and he have to run into this place. When something happens, it's slow, inefficient, and something already it fired happened, then well, it already happened. So a better way would be prevent this and monitors what happens. Similarly with elderly people, uh, like for example, my uncle and auntie, in they live here, Brooklyn, but um, their daughter is living in Box Hills, so not close but not in the same house. And if something happens, they cannot do anything, right? So the solution that I do was I create this two embedded system for detection gas leaks, alarm, real-time camera to monitor what really happened, and button to making decision for beyond this situation. First of all is the resource I need for this. I divide into 14 sensor, model, control, and cloud server like this. This part is a sensor where we have gas sensor, flame sensor, using particle alcohol as my microprocessor, and alarming, re-alarming, Pi's camera to streaming. This is my cloud server. We have BMT code to process the data and also having server to streaming to the webcam, and another Raspberry Pi for system number 2 to doing alarm, and some button to play on the situation for the people that is far away. Yeah, so basically that's all. Currently there are some that already been done, like for example the cameras part is already been done. The server part is already been done. So I'm looking forward for the project to just finish. Thank you very much. See you again.